We have another example on the board. Please notice that this time we have given angle C, which is a acute angle. We have given side C, which is opposite side to the given angle, and we have given side A, which is adjacent side to the given angle. If acute angle is given, we're supposed to consider three options for the answer. We can have one solution, two solutions, or no solution. What we're supposed to do first, in case when the acute angle is given, we're supposed to draw the altitude of the triangle. And we always draw this to the side which is not given. In our case, side B is not given. That's why I'm supposed to draw the altitude to side B. And this is my right angle D. What am I supposed to do next? I'm supposed to find the length of my altitude. So in order to find the length of H, I'm supposed to use the sine of angle C. Because angle C is given, side A is given, and I can find length of H. So I have sine of angle C is equal opposite side, in this case, opposite side to angle C is my H. So I have H over side A. In order to find H, I'm supposed to multiply both sides of my formula by A. A and A will cancel out. So I have H equals A times sine of angle C, where A is equal 2.5 kilometers, sine of angle C, which is equal 70.5 degrees. So if H is equal 2.35 kilometers. Now, you're supposed to look at the values of H, C, and A. Please notice that H is less than C and is less than A. Now, let's get back to the picture. So, H is less than C. H is less than C. So it means that C is longer than H. So we can have two solutions, because we can make the triangle like this, because remember, we're supposed to always keep this angle the same like was given. It has to be always 70.5 degrees. So if you are going to have angle like this, so this is going to be one solution, but because C is greater than H, this C can be moved somewhere over here, okay? And we are going to have another triangle, which is going to have also angle C 70.5 degrees. So we're going to have two solutions. So let's talk about the first one. I'm going to use law of sines in order to find angle A. Again, someone is going to ask why you are looking first for angle A. Because I have angle C given, side C given, and I have side A given. So I have side C given, angle C is given, and side A is given. That's why I can write my law of sine A over sine of angle A equals C over sine of angle C. and I can perform the cross multiplication. I have 3 pieces given, I can find the 4th one. That's why I'm looking for angle A. Cross multiply, and you will have C times sine of angle A is equal A times sine of angle C. So I have A times sine of angle C. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by C. C and C will cancel out, and I will have sine of angle A equals A sine of angle C over C. A times sine of angle C divided by C. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to find the inverse of sine, and A sine of angle C over C. This is equal inverse sine side A is equal 2.5 kilometers times sine of angle C, which is equal 70.5 degrees, over side C, which is equal 2.45 kilometers. Kilometer and kilometer will cancel out. Okay, use the calculator to calculate the angle A, and you're supposed to get 74.12 degrees. This is my angle A. Next, we're supposed to find angle B. Please keep in mind that the sum of angles in any triangle is always equal 180 degrees. So if you want to find angle B, you're supposed to simply from 180 degrees subtract angle A and subtract angle C. And you will have 180 degrees minus angle A is equal 74.12 degrees minus side C, which is equal 70.5 degrees. This is equal 35.38 degrees. Okay, so we found angle B. Next, we're supposed to find side B, because we have given two sides, side C and side A. We're supposed to find side B. I'm going to use this space over here. We have given angle C and side C. That's why I'm going to use this ratio. So I have C over sine of angle C equals, and because I'm looking for side B, I'm going to use B over sine of angle B. I have to perform the cross multiplication, and I have B sine of angle C, B times sine of angle C is equal C sine of angle B. In order to find B, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by sine of angle C. Sine of angle C. So I have side B is equal C sine of angle B over sine of angle C. This is equal C 2.45 kilometers, sine of angle B, and we found B is equal 35.38 degrees, 35.38 degrees over sine of angle C, and we have 70.5 degrees. Plug in these values into the calculator and you're supposed to get the value of 1.5 kilometers. Okay? Please notice that we have found the third side and we found the missing angle. So this is the first solution to this problem. Next, we're supposed to find the second one. We're supposed to start solving the second part of the problem from finding the value of angle A prime. This is going to be my angle A prime. Okay, remember we moved this side over here. In order to find the value of this angle, we're supposed to realize that this angle is the supplementary angle of this angle. Okay? And this angle is nothing else, just A angle. So in order to find A prime, you're supposed to subtract from 180 degrees angle A. So we have 180 degrees minus angle A is equal 105.88 degrees. And this is the angle A prime. Next, we're supposed to find the angle B. Okay? So angle B, again, we are going to find by subtracting from 180 degrees the angle A prime and angle C, because the sum of all angles in the triangle is always equal 180 degrees. So if 180 degrees minus angle A prime and minus angle C is going to be equal 180 degrees minus A prime 105.88 degrees minus angle C, which is equal 70.5 degrees. This is equal 3.62 degrees. This is the value of my angle B. In order to find side B, I'm supposed to use always first the values which were given. So I have C over sine of angle C, of course I'm using the law of sines, is equal, and because I'm looking for side B, I'm going to use B over sine of angle B. Cross multiply, this is equal, or this is going to be B times sine of C equals C sine of angle B. In order to find side B, I'm supposed to divide both sides of my equation by sine of C. Sine of C. Cancel, cancel, and we will obtain the formula B is equal C times sine of angle B over sine of angle C, where C is equal 2.45 kilometers, and we have sine of angle B, where B is equal 3.62 degrees over sine of angle C, and angle C is equal 70.5 degrees. Okay. Plug in these values into the calculator and you're supposed to obtain the value of 0.164 kilometers. Okay, so we found the second triangle, we found angle A prime, we found angle B, and we found the new length of side B. So we can say that problem is solved.